This is Barracuda Beach at somewhere in Asia, actually. So we're here for Addie Ruby Hangout. This is July's Hangout. The Hangout is July. So forget all my excess and so, okay, it's going to be a very, very interesting experience there.
Okay, forgive all this thing this auntie is trying to say. We actually went for an hangout and it's at Barracuda Beach. And guys, Barracuda Beach was it for me. So I think I didn't really go out like that, but this one makes sense.
That's why my video camera guy is protecting the office.
Here we have on our way to Barracuda Beach. We're coming from the mainland. And this is 4 of us. Yes, we're 4. As I and 3 other of my friends. Man, the journey was long. It was long. So
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4.
Barracuda Beach and Resort is a private beach and resort with an exclusive waterfront located at Okunwaja Road, Okomako Village, Ajaleki, Lagos, Nigeria. I hope I got those Yoruba words clearly. I'm sorry if I did more than the words. Now this is the Google map. We're coming from the mainland that day. This is the entrance, so appealing. Also part of the entrance when you come into the beach. Then there's this part for snooker game for the game lovers. Allah. Then there's a pool over there. There's a pool over here in the beach. And this is the outdoor part of the beach. Man, this is the most interesting part I would say. This is the outdoor part. Okay, meet your MC. Introduce the MC of the occasion. No other person but yours truly, assuring soft imago there. Okay, I haven't MC'd a hangout such as this before, but I think I killed it. You all know, Sha. Man, you have to see my expression because of I am an MC. Alright, let's meet Addie Ruby. Yay! Addie Ruby is an event planner, a tourist, and a lady. No, she organizes events such as these where people from different walks of life come together to relax, interact, and have fun. She's one reason why I got. You can follow her at Addie Ruby Concept on Instagram. The link will be at the description. Let's get to the good side. So while we waited for the right persons to come, we had to play that card game to keep our hands busy. You can guess who won this card game. I comment my result. Then we moved to taking a walk around. However, we're still waiting for the rest. Just feeling the sand at the beach and the cool air. Get my moves. Skin has been dancing for ages. 40 minutes. Meet the complete squad. So I can't mention all the names here, but finally they came. It was really an interesting time. There was this interesting people around. So the whole idea was to have people come in 2 groups. Okay, yeah, we had 2 groups, and the best way to distribute them to 2 groups was to have color card. We had blue and we had pink, so it was much easier than blue against pink, pink against green. So you don't need to distribute anybody yourself. And the first game that was played was card. I think I got the pronunciation correctly. A card is just the MC tells the participant an action to make, then you just display it quietly to the groups. Now, the opposing team are to guess what this person is mimicking. See my guy face. Can guess what's this guy trying to mimic like this? I said she was acting as a pregnant woman here. Then we went to tug of war. Lord. Go as a wall of Jericho following. Then we went to water filling games. This is the one I like. To see people running to get water from the beach, then you fill it back. We had other games such as head, toes, and nails. The idea of this game is to get the head, nails, and shoes. Sorry. The idea of this game is to get the shoe at the middle between both teams. So when you get shoe, the first team to pick a shoe is the winner. And so that's the game, okay? MC responsibility. So as the MC of the game, I'm not just doing anything, just kept coordinating people. Oh my god, it was interesting. So like I said before, I've not MC'd an Hangout. So good, I have not MC'd an Hangout such as this because this is my first. And I must tell you, it's very good to plan before you actually do something like this. Like you need to have games so people don't get bored. Good thing was I communicated with a friend of ours and he directed me on how to go about it. I am telling you, as fun as this stuff could be, being the MC means you should carry people along, yes? Because people came to have fun. Imagine giving them dry jokes. No, I did not give anybody a joke. I'm not recommending any. But then I know they enjoy themselves. You need to see the look on their face. Come on. If you're not enjoying yourself, you can have this face now. See the water pouring. See everybody's face is just serious. Pouring water. Oh my goodness. Oh, people's future will cause by spirit. Oh my god. Addie Ruby Concept always organizes hangouts such as this, and we look forward to the one coming in October. By then, this video should be on air. Yeah, so we are not taking pictures. Did I forget something? Food, very important. Please forget my face. Food is important. If I can't eat, I can't MC well. Come on. Yeah, it was fun. Okay, so after this whole thing, people had time. We were there till night. Yeah, not this late night though. We were there till night, and this was like, I think it was big for most people because they had to dance. They danced and danced. So I only have pictures. I don't have the exact video. I'm so sorry about that. So you can't find me here because I'm actually the one behind the camera as at now. Not the professional camera or photographer, by the way. Neither am I an apprentice, but I did an hands-on job, rather. Okay, so we call it a day. So I danced actually. That's me dancing. Even if I did not dance tonight, it was very interesting. To be a bit dancing since I was bored. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I beg you, please subscribe.